Okay, I got two pieces in. I have to do 1, 2, 3 more. It's not bad. Oh no, I forgot. I have to take those panels off because they're only 1/4 inch, and I ended up having to get 3/8 inch plywood. So I gotta still take those two off. 3, 4, 5 more pieces. Next piece going on. Just need one good side. Nothing is square. I used that piece. Dang it. I measured on the wrong freaking side. Oh my god. Freaking. I should probably just quit. Quit now and never finish anything ever again in my entire freaking life. This is the one I need, but it has a hole. Hole. Oops. Mistake number 2. Ooh, hot. I don't know. Maybe something right there I could try right here. Right there, that pulls it in a little too much. I can get another one in. I'm running out of screws. Let's see if I go. Oh, this one is too small. little bit of a crack in there. Well, it's as good as it gets. It's like the theme for this whole front porch is that's as good as it gets. Nothing is straight, so that's as good as it gets. I can't even put anything on this side because what if I put something, try one of these, not that one, maybe one up here. I could put one right here, but I don't even think it's necessary. I just kind of need one right here, but there's nothing to screw into right there. I'm starting to get tired and I'm zoning out. I should probably quit, but I won't. So I guess I'm gonna have to get creative. How do I patch this in the plywood? Any ideas? Okay, so this is the problem I've been having with this front porch. See this big gap? All the way down to the floor. It's just a little too high here. I have to shorten it here, so I gotta cut like on an angle this way, and then I have to cut on an angle the other way somehow. Okay, I cut it on an angle this way, and now it should fit. Look at that. It's much better right into the corner. I just have to notch out these little areas there and this one here. Okay, and that's it. The plug-in is over there, so I gotta cut the other piece for that one. I don't have to cut this one anymore except for those two little spots. Now I can screw it on. Yay! Use my feet. Tricky doing it one-handed. Okay, now I'm just gonna put all the screws in and move on to the next. Okay, all the plywood is on. Looks pretty crappy, so I'm gonna get to painting. I gotta clean first and then paint. My hair is crazy. Okay, so I have just finished working all day in the front porch, and I'll show you what I have accomplished. So all of the plywood is in. Don't mind those boards, those are the ones that came off the wall. And it is all painted. And I also have these little, I don't know what you call them. Anyway, these are going to cover all of the seams. And they're just going to be randomly placed because I have random seams and I have random screws in kind of random areas. It's not really cohesive, so, but I can't put those up until the flooring is done and the baseboards need to be put in. And I also need to put in, I need some kind of strip to go underneath the window ledge. I don't know yet what I'm going to put there. Some kind of trim piece. And then I can put these boards up. And so that's what I've done. I still have this dilemma here. I'm going to get creative, I think, and figure out how to cover that. And so that's it for today.